Hello and welcome to my fire safety course. In this course we will fight fire with knowledge. Together we are going to learn about fire from the very simple beginning of fire nature and definitions about fire until we reach a more sophisticated level of fire risk assessment and fire evacuation plans. Together we are going to go through interesting quizzes that will enhance our learning experience and fires our minds up. By the end of this course, you will have enough knowledge about fire that will allow you to protect yourself, your family, your house, and your workplace against fire hazards. This course will not only save you money, this course literally saves lives. Thank you.